Hey, welcome back. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today I got something a little bit interesting. As you can see, I'm in the front of my truck. Yesterday when I went to go start it, it was 7 below zero, truck wouldn't start. Lit up, truck wouldn't start. So I jumped the battery, and after working it for a little bit, then about 20 minutes later the truck started. And then it warmed up a little bit yesterday. I want to say about 12 degrees. And then as most of you probably know, today's Wednesday. Friday, Saturday, it's going to get really cold, probably like 15 to 18 below zero. Wind chill factor is about 40 to 50 below zero. So what a perfect time to get a new battery. So I did put a new battery in yesterday, and the only thing is the battery that was in here was about that much smaller, and it didn't look like a battery that would fit in here. And I'm new to this, even though I work on vehicles. What I'm new to is what's called a AGM battery, absorbed glass matte battery. It's a type of lead acid battery that immobilizes its liquid electrolyte, the acid, with fine fiberglass mats between the lead plates, making it spill-proof, vibration resistant, and maintenance free. That battery that was on here, or in here, the old battery, that was not the case. So I was naive. I bought it from a pretty good sized dealership, and I'm not going to get into the dealership, maybe it was before then, but I even had a Carfax report on from day one till up until the day that I bought this vehicle, and they said they checked the battery, they checked everything. So I'm not going to push anything, but I just want people to realize that, hey, the next time, maybe do a little research. I know I learned a lesson. If I'm going to go buy another vehicle, I want to make sure that the battery is equipped for the vehicle that you're buying, not just random throwing a battery just to get it off the lot. Now, what's interesting is when I was driving this vehicle after I put the battery in, it seemed like it was driving better, and it was just weird. Like the lights would come on and go off, the interior lights. When it started up, the chime started, everything seemed so much like faster, almost like going from a slow computer to a faster computer. It just seemed like that. So am I imagining anything? I don't know. I don't think so, but yeah. So this battery was about $260. So, and it's guaranteed for 4 years. Hopefully I'll get the 4 years out of it. But yeah, just so you know that I was naive, because I even looked. I looked, and then the person at the checkout looked and made sure that this is a battery for this vehicle. So again, I don't know, that battery, was that original from when they put it on the assembly line? I don't know. Maybe they're finding out that they need a bigger battery with all the electronics, but just wanted to let you guys know that's watching this video. Again, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. I want to get closer and closer to that 1,000 subscribe mark, and I'll have more videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.